Hello guys, you're welcome once again to today's video. Today is your first time coming across my video. You're welcome, and please do well to subscribe, like this video, and also share this video to your friends and family. Okay, so there is good news that I want to share with you guys. Okay, so this is about the 2024 WASSCE results. Okay, so the results has been delayed, and as I'm speaking now, that is today is 24th of December 2024, the Minister of Education, Dr. Yao Adichu, yes, has set date for the release of the 2024 WASSCE results. So from the minister, the results will be released on the 29th, at least on the 29th of December. The results will be released by the West African Examination Council. So let's listen to what the minister said.
Work, taking around, we are working, and by the 29th or not before, the results of our exams will be out. So that the universities can go about their job of making sure our students will also be given admission to pursue their various degrees and diploma programs. At this time, I think this is a very brief comment to let you know that the Minister for Education was here with the Director General of Ghana Education Service. And we are satisfied with the level of preparation and work being done by WAEC. And we are grateful for their service and for the fact that even during this break, they have staff here working around the clock to ensure that the results will be released for our students to continue their education journey.
So guys, this is what I have for you today. So we should expect the result on 29th of December 2024. Thank you for watching this video.